Hi yogis, my name is Jordan and today we're here with Quantum Jumping for Joy and we're going to be going over Bhramari Pranayama. It's also known as humming bee breath because it makes a similar sound as like a bee humming. So this breath is going to be really good if you're experiencing anxiety. It directs the internal gaze inwards and it also reduces blood pressure. Now, by extending the exhale and also producing that buzzing sound, it's going to get you into your parasympathetic system rather than your sympathetic system. And that's what's active in your flight or flight response. And so when we're in chronic flight or flight, it's when we're under constant stress, anxiety, and it actually is very detrimental to our health. I'll have some more information on that on my website if you want to check that out and see how meditation, pranayama can help us with that. So anyways, let's get into this breath. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. So if you experience anxiety when you close your eyes, you're already at a heightened state, you can just place your hands in your fingers in your ears, okay? But otherwise, we're going to work with pratyahara, which is sense deprivation, in order to direct the senses inwards. So if you notice with people who are blind, they may have heightened hearing, a heightened sense of taste or smell, or if you close your eyes during meditation, then you are really much more aware of your inner landscape. So that's going to be the same sort of basis here. So this is the Shanmukhi Mudra. So you take your thumbs, you're going to cover the tragus, so the little flap on the ear, and you close your ears. Then you take your index finger and your middle finger, and we'll place them over the eyes, resting the ring fingers on the edge of your nose and the pinkies on the corners of your mouth. So coming into the mudra, take a nice deep inhale, making sure the ears are plugged, and on your exhale, make a buzzing bee sound. So almost like making an om with your mouth shut. And then inhale. Now the goal here is to be extending your exhale. So by extending the exhale, again, you're getting into that parasympathetic system, you're reducing your blood pressure. And so this is going to be really great at quieting the mind if you have trouble with your mind being too active in meditation. And with the humming sound, it'll actually release cerebral tension and it'll bring the pineal gland and the pituitary gland back to their proper function. So this is a really powerful pranayama. It's my personal favorite for if my thoughts are scattered and I'm having trouble really sitting there, or if I'm anxious, it kind of gives me that immediate space to myself where even if I'm alone, there's not external sounds. It's like being underwater for a second and in your own inner sanctuary. So I hope you enjoy this. If there's any questions you have, comment below. I will answer them and enjoy having like a bee.